Welcome friends to One-Stop Java Solutions. I am Snehasis and today I am showing you some basic question in Java, basic program basically in Java, that how to calculate the factorial of a number. Okay, so for that, what I will do, I am creating one class in Java. Okay, and giving the name that factorial demo. Okay, and created the class. Okay, and inside that class I am writing the public static void main string args. This is the signature of main method. Okay, and every Java class will start from this main method. Okay, and inside that I am taking an input. Okay, input of a number, and then I will do the factorial of that number. So taking that input, I am writing a scanner class. Scanner is c equal to new scanner system. So this is the means we are creating the object of a scanner class. Okay, so it is a means default built-in class in Java, and you have to import the package. So it is the Java util package, so importing the java.util.scanner. Okay, and then I am writing system.out.println. Here enter a number, enter the number. In I am expecting one number, means user will means if I am giving one input from the console. Okay, and the number whatever I have provided, I will do the factorial of that number. So enter a number, and then I am writing int number or int n equal to sc dot next int. So in that way it will take the number from console and store in the variable n, integer variable. Okay, and then what I'll do, so what is the logic of factorial? Suppose I want to do the factorial of 4. So what it will do, it will factorial of 4, I can, this is the sign, factorial of 4 equal to 4 factorial. So that means it will start multiplying of the number until 1. So 4, then star 3, okay, then star 2, then star 1, like this way. So whatever input I will provide, so it will multiply every number, okay, with that number until 1. So this is the logic. So for doing that, I will, what I will do, I will just use the while loop, because I don't know how many times it will iterate. Okay, so I only know that the number, and the number should be greater than 0. Okay, that is the condition. So number should be greater than 0. So that I will write here, that if n less than 1, okay, less than 1 means 0 or any negative number, then I will print a message that invalid number, invalid input. Okay, so number should be greater than 0. Okay, this is the condition. So that I will do first, and then while until n greater than equal to 1. Okay, so while doing the while loop and checking until the value of n is greater than equal to 1. What I will do, I will write suppose here I am taking another variable int fact. Okay, int fact, and I am assigning value with 1. Okay, so what I will do, fact equal to fact star in. Okay, and after that what I will do, I will decrement the n. So n minus minus, I will decrement the n with 1. So like this way I will decrement the values of n, and it will means this loop will execute till the values of n should be greater than equal to 1, and if it's greater than equal to, if it's less than 1, that means 0, then it will not enter into the loop. So here I will print factorial of factorial of, suppose my number, so factorial of n. Okay, factorial of n colon plus fact. Okay, so this is the, if I execute this, so enter a number, suppose I am giving 4. Okay, so factorial of 4 is okay, plus n okay, I am decrementing the n values by 1. Okay, so last value. So before that, here you have to write this, because here either you have to means keep the original values, okay, in another variable, or you can write this part. Okay, system.out.println factorial, copy here before the loop, here you can write system.out.println, here write this one, and here you can only write fact. This portion you can write here, instead of println you just write print. Okay, so enter a number, suppose I am giving 4. Okay, factorial of 4 equal to 24. Okay, factorial of 4 is 24. Like this you can print. So what it is doing, so first it will take, so you can see 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, into 1 equal to 24. Okay, so if you run it with another value like 5, so it will give by 60. No, 5 is 120. 4 is 24 into 5, that means 120. Okay, so like this factorial of, okay, and here also you can do this part, fact you can print here plus n plus, okay, and if you suppose if you check with another number like enter, suppose if you give 1, then it's 1. If you give any 0, then it will give you the invalid. If you give the 0, then you can see factorial of 0, invalid input. Okay, so invalid input. Okay, so okay, 1 minute. So first it will check the number value, and then it will print this, and if it's invalid input, then it will system.exist, system system dot exit with values 0. Now if you give the 0, then it will show you invalid input only. Okay, so this is the case. So whatever value you are providing here, okay, it will check if the values whatever value of n is greater than equal to 1, then it will enter into the loop, and like this way first for suppose if we try with 4 factorial of 4, so first 4 is greater than equal to 1, so fact equal to 4 star n, fact star n, that means initial value of fact is 1, so 1 star n. Okay, so here you have to be careful that the fact value should means you have to initialize with 1. Okay, if you initialize it with 0, means in general we are doing 0 basically. If you initialize the default value as 0, then what it will do, it will every time it will multiply with 0. Okay, and the total output should be 0. Okay, so that should be not the case here, so you have to initialize the fact value with 1. Okay, so it will check 4 greater than equal to 1, it's true, so fact equal to 1 star 4, that means fact value is 4. Then we are doing n minus minus, that means in initial value is 4, then it's 3. In the next iteration it will check 3 is greater than equal to 1, yes true, then fact equal to fact star n, so fact value is 4, so now 4 star 3 value of n, so 4 into n, 4 into 3, that means 12, so now fact value is 12. Okay, in the next iteration it will 2, n equal to 2, so 2 is greater than equal to 1, yes true, so then it will do 12 start 2, that is 24. Okay, in the next iteration its value is 2 minus minus, that means 1, so 1 greater than equal to 1, yes true, then it will do fact equal to 1 star. So you can skip this iteration as well. So if you just remove the 1 greater than equal to, okay, only greater than 1, because you have already initialized the fact value is 1, so 1, if you multiply any number with 1, that is meaningless, means it will always give that number only, so you can remove the equal to operator from here, only we will do the greater than. So it will for 4 it will check if n greater than 2, then it's fine, means until greater than 2. Okay, so 1 you don't have to consider, because if you multiply any number with 1, it will give the same result. So fact equal to like this, and now if you re-execute once again and give the 4, then you can see factorial of 4 is 24. Okay, so in this way you can calculate the factorial of any number. So hope you can understand the logic. You can also do this factorial with for loop as well. So if you do that, suppose for int I equal to n, okay, I greater than, until I greater than, so you have started from 1, so until it's greater than 1. Okay, so I greater than 1 and then I minus minus. Okay, and inside that do that fact equal to fact star I, fact star I. Okay, so I am commenting this part, so commenting this part. Okay, and if I now execute this, so entry number suppose 4, and you can see that the output is 24. Okay, so what I am doing, I am started by taking one variable int I equal to n, and until the values of I is greater than 1, I will do what I am doing fact equal to fact star 1 with then fact star I. So that is the same logic here. Instead of n, I am using another variable I, and first copying the values of n to I, means assigning the values of n to I, and then I am decrementing the i's values, and how many times this loop will iterate until the values of I is greater than 1. Okay, so in that same logic you can do use, okay, and also the this program. So if you like my channel and videos, you can subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon, so that once I upload the next video you will get the notification, and also you can share with your friends. Okay. And you can see all the links, means my channel link and the previous and next videos link in my description box, so you can go there and you can watch other videos as well. Thanks for watching.